How's it going, Phonlab? It's Root Junkie here, and today I have once again another FRP bypass video. This is going to be on a Huawei device, and it's going to show you two escalation methods. And one of them works on this device because it's on the latest, I think, March security patch, and one of them will work on older devices. So you'll have two options to go with, and they're pretty cool. So the first one we're going to show you is the emergency dialer method to get into settings. Okay, it's not going to work on this device, but I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to have to come in here to the emergency caller, and you're going to type in *##1 3 5 7 9 4 6 star or pound, and then ready, star. All right, so here, if you're on an older security patch than the device I have right here, you should be able to swipe over and you'll get the menu come up for all the setting options, and you can go to anything within settings and then move in through the escalation method there. Okay, so just do like that, swipe over, and then go into settings. Super easy, super simple, awesome. Okay, that method will not work on this device, so I'm going to cancel out, and we're going to show you the method that will work on this device. Now, to do this, this actually does use the trick of, like, turning on and off your modem and things like that, but it's easier to do with a Wi-Fi hotspot on your device. And I'm going to show you where exactly to do it and how to do it. It's a little different than maybe some other ones you've seen. So we're going to say later to this, we're going to agree to all, and we're going to connect up to my Wi-Fi hotspot. So I'm going to turn that on my phone with a little quick toggle right there, and then we should have that come up here in our list, and I'll connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and connect. And now, whenever we want to kill our connection, we can do it by killing it on our phone, our little quick toggle, okay? So I'm going to say next. And here's where you're going to see that the device is in fact FRP locked. We are also on Android 8.0 is what this device is on. So it should also work the same on 9 and a bunch of the other ones, but I just want to show you. So device has been reset, connect to previously signed in account, right? So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to hit more, accept, set up new, and this is the beautiful part right here, okay? So what we're going to do, and if we mess this up, we can just reconnect and disconnect and reconnect and disconnect until we get it by using our toggle here, our quick toggle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click forgot password right here, and then I'm going to kill my Wi-Fi hotspot within about 2 seconds. Perfect. You see it? So I just killed it, okay? And we get this. That's exactly what we want. So from here, okay, see it? I held down, and now we're going to do share, and we're going to scroll over, and we're going to hold long press on Google Contacts, and from here, this is the same process we use on other devices. So we're going to go to notifications, more settings, and we can actually reconnect to the hotspot now. So I'll turn mine back on, and accounts, and then let's just say accounts. And you can see that now we're into settings on the device, okay? From here, it's really easy to finish this process. On this device, so a couple things. If this method I'm about to show you doesn't work, try to use the Phonlab FRP application or another method along those lines. But for this Huawei devices, I've seen that this actually will do the job, so it's pretty sweet. So basically what you're going to do is come in here, and we're going to put in a password. So I'm just going to do 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just a bunch of zeros. So I'm not going to roll my fingerprint. I'm going to go back, and then we're going to go to about, and I'll just show you this so you guys can see it. So here you go, Android 8.0 security patch on this thing is March 1st, 2019. All right. So now you can see what I'm working with. So what we're going to be looking for right now is the reset. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to reset all settings and put in your password, and then reset all. And what this does is this actually on these devices, without even factory resetting the phone, will basically remove FRP, which is kind of awesome and really kind of sweet. So we're just going to let it finish right here. Once this thing finishes down here on the bottom, going to do one more thing, which is I'm going to turn on developer options. And then from there, I'm going to reboot the device and we should be good to go. So pretty sweet process. Like I said, if that doesn't work, or these methods I'm showing you right now currently do not work for you, then I would be using like like I said, either the FRP bypass application or Phonlab's FRP APK, either of those to try to get this method fully done. All right, so before we put the build number on, let's go back out. We did a reset, right? And let's go to display, and let's go to home style, and let's click on the app drawer version. And this should actually just get us right into the device. Shabam, right? Come on. Finish loading up. So it's pretty sweet. This just gets you in. Boom, look at that, see? So from here, let's see if we can actually get the build number to work, and we can turn on developer options. And see, you are now a developer, okay? And then we can go into developer options, and if we want to check anything we want. Now, just getting developer options on should mean FRP is removed. You can check toggle enable OEM unlock if you want. That would definitely make sure that we have FRP turned off. But at this point, it's really just as simple as rebooting the device, and we should have FRP off on this device, and we should be able to log in with just any credentials once the device boots back up. So really simple. Basically, Huawei's security on FRP is really kind of not that great, really, is the best way to put it, because basically changing your home screen to an app drawer and doing that little reset within settings allows you to turn on developer options, and then once developer options are on, FRP's gone. And even if it wasn't, you could use a command to remove FRP, because you could turn on ADB debugging and so on and so forth. So yeah, it's just simple. But here you go. We're going to show you. First thing you're going to notice is all your buttons down here, your home button and other buttons are functional. And then let me just make sure we're connected up to my Wi-Fi once again, my hotspot here, which it should auto connect back up to. Oh, it's not going to, because we did that reset. So let me connect up to my hotspot one more time and show you that FRP is removed. Okay, we should be connected up. Now we'll just go to Google Play, which is going to open up and try to set up an account. And we should have just put in any account you want. There you go. See? Normal sign in, no warning, FRP is fully removed from the device. So really simple. Like I said, Huawei is really lacking on the security side of FRP on here. So a couple bypass methods. Like I said, you can still use the emergency dialer to get into those in there. Let's see here. Show you one more time. And you can get into here and then do the swipe over to get into settings if you're on an older security patch, or you can use the method I did with the Wi-Fi hotspot on your phone and connect up to that. Either way, it does work quite well and is pretty stinking simple. So there you go, guys. That's going to be my video here on FRP on Huawei's latest security patch of March 2019. And I do think that this shouldn't have any problems working, one of these methods working on any of your current Huawei devices on Android 8.0 through 9.0. That's going to wrap it up for me, and we'll catch you in the next one. Brew Junkie out.